Once upon a time, in a great kingdom, there lived a kind king. He cared for his people and always wanted to help them. One day, while riding through the village, he saw a poor boy sitting on the ground. The boy looked sad and hungry. The king stopped and asked, "Why are you so sad, my boy?" The poor boy replied, "I have no food to eat and no money to buy any. I just want to feel full." The king felt sorry for him. He reached into his pocket and pulled out some coins. "Here, take this and buy some food," he said. The boy's eyes lit up. "Thank you, kind king," he exclaimed. He ran to the market and bought a loaf of bread. With a big smile, he sat down to eat. The next day, the king returned to the village. This time, he saw the boy again, but the boy looked different. He was smiling and playing with other children. The king was happy to see him so joyful. "How are you today?" the king asked. "I am great," the boy replied. "With your help, I had food yesterday. Now I can play and share with my friends." The king smiled. "It makes me happy to see you happy. Remember, sharing is important." From that day on, the boy helped others in the village. He shared his food and always remembered the king's kindness. The king continued to help those in need, and the kingdom grew filled with joy and kindness. And so, the king and the poor boy taught everyone that kindness and sharing can change lives. After the boy's transformation, the king wanted to learn more about the village and its people. He decided to visit secretly, disguised as a common man. He wandered through the streets, observing how everyone lived. One day, he noticed a group of children playing with a ball made of old rags. They were laughing and having fun. But he could see some of them were hungry. The king approached them and asked, "What do you wish for most?" One little girl replied, "We wish we had more food to eat and nice toys to play with." The king thought for a moment. He wanted to help but also wanted the children to learn about giving. So he said, "How about this? I will provide food, but you must promise to share with those who have less than you." The children agreed excitedly. The next day, the king, still in disguise, brought baskets of bread, fruits, and toys. The children were overjoyed. They shared their food with others in the village, spreading happiness everywhere. As time went on, the poor boy became a leader among the children. Inspired by the king's lessons, he organized a food drive. Everyone in the village brought something to share. Soon, the community was filled with laughter, and no one went hungry. One day, the king revealed his true identity. The villagers were shocked to see their king among them, laughing and playing. The poor boy stood proudly and said, "He taught us that kindness makes us stronger together." From then on, the king held regular festivals where everyone could share their talents, food, and joy. The village thrived, and the king's heart was full. He knew that true leadership was about caring for others and building a strong community. And so, the king and the poor boy inspired generations to come, reminding everyone that kindness and sharing create a better world for all.